Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna go to Marshall's to see what kind of high-end makeup deals I can find. So lately I've been seeing a lot of people find a lot of awesome Anastasia Beverly Hills goodies. I like those glow kits, like y'all. Oh, and I saw someone find a lip palette. I was like, so today I'm actually gonna go to Marshall's to increase my chances of finding all these awesome goodies. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. BTW, if you've not seen, this is Sephora. Hi, nice to meet you guys. Hope you guys join the family. Press the subscribe button down below and tap that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Every time I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Actually, before we get on with the video, I want to announce today's goodie, which is this super cute Sephora Tote Bag. You guys, how cute is this? And if you want to see it in action, I got you. So here it is, all filled up, you guys. It is super sturdy. You can hold anything from a pencil to books in that. You can carry your makeup in that. Anything, everything, snacks, healthy snacks, right? New year, new me, right? But yeah, anyways, so if you guys want to win this super cute Sephora tote bag, the question to answer down below in the comment section down below is, what is your favorite color? Y'all know what mine is. I mean, maybe you don't, but it's pink. So I want to know, what is your favorite color? Comment down below. Alright, you guys, without further ado, for real this time, let's get on to the video. Alright you guys, we're at store number 1. Alright you guys, so immediately I see a bunch of contour kits from Anastasia and then other brands. So here you guys see them. Ooh, could this be a dupe? Oh my gosh, totally thought this was a contour kit. Look! Actually, I'm gonna wait till I find everything and then show you guys. So these are all the goodies that I found today. Not a lot of stuff, but still a bunch of like new stuff. Like, so I first found this from Philosophy. It's a Sugarplum Fairy Bath Set. It comes with this purple glitter shower gel, which can also be used as a shampoo, and then a lotion. This has a value of $27, and you guys, now it's on clearance for only $8. Next, I found a product from Smashbox. It's the Indecent Exposure Mascara. This was originally $20 and now it's only $12.99. Next, I found a product from Maybelline. It's the Instant Age Rewind Foundation, well, eraser foundation. You guys remember I found this at Target. I forgot what the price was, but it's even cheaper here, I'm sure of it. So this was originally $6 and now it's only $3.99. Next, I found from Anastasia Beverly Hills this liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. And this was originally $9. Oh, so much more than that, at least twice as much. And now it's only $6.99. You guys, I finally found the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. It looks so cool. This box looks like it was tampered with, so So this was originally $9 and now it's only $6.99. You guys, I am so excited about these. I found the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. So, as I just mentioned, I found the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume 1. Ooh, can someone tell me if they have Volume 2 and 3 in stores? I just realized it said Volume 1. And these are the shades that are inside, and you can just mix and match them to your preference. You guys, how cool is that? And this lip palette was originally $42, whew, and now it's only $24.99. And last but not least, I found this super cute unicorn mask. You guys, how cute is this? I'm absolutely in love with the packaging of this mask. So y'all, when I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta show you guys. So this mask is an animated unicorn face mask infused with clarifying strawberry milk. Ooh, okay. And it's from the brand Cream Shop. And it is $4.99 and originally priced at $8. And again, these are all the goodies that I got from store number 1. Now let's go to store number 2, shall we? Alright guys, we made it to our second Marshall's. Now let's go inside. Wow, you guys, did we hit the jackpot? Like, seriously, look at all these goodies. I literally found 6 Aurora glow kits. Your girl is shook. So let's first start with this Real Techniques 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges that I found. I can't remember if I've showed you guys these before, but y'all know I love Real Techniques, and it's got the new label, so I had to share it with you guys again. And these were originally $6, and now they're only $2.99. You guys, these are so cute for setting the eyes with concealer, with powder, however you want to do it. Next, I found the Too Faced Cat Eyes Ferociously Feminine Eyeshadow Palette. I'm surprised to see these palettes here, because you usually find them at Nordstrom Rack. And these are, there's no price. Oh, because someone took this out of its packaging already. Let me try to find it real quick.
A few moments later.
I can't find it, you guys. I just tried looking for it, couldn't find it. On to our next product, I found the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly Eyeshadow Palette. How cute is this palette, you guys? I love Too Faced packaging, y'all. Like, seriously, it's so cute and girly. And this was originally $21, and now it's only $14.99. Next, I found a product from Boscia. It's the Pink Peppermint Blotting Linens, y'all. How cute is this? It's the limited edition, I'm guessing for winter, just because it's pink peppermint flavored or scented. And it's the perfect size to put in your purse. You know, whenever you're feeling a little oily, just pull this out and blotch your face. Now to the Aurora Glow Kits, you guys. Don't get too excited because actually these are all ruined. Look at this. Like, I hate this. And they're all ruined, you guys. And this is why I do not like opening packages up, even if you just want to swatch it for whatever reason. You risk the chance of breaking it, aka all 6 of these palettes are broken now, and I can't buy them or use them because, you guys, this is horrible. See? Oh yeah, that's like a big hot mess. It just makes me so sad, you guys. So maybe reconsider next time when you want to swatch something or open something. Maybe just don't. Alright, you guys, well, that concludes the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed me going to 2 Marshalls. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you guys enjoy it? And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!